What's up guys, so in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to use our new AI trading system. It is completely for free, it is for mobile, and you do not need a PC. I'm just going to use a PC for video demonstration purposes, and I'm not going to keep this video long so I can just get into the points, show you guys how to use it and not waste your time. So once again, completely for free, head over to ai.dollartradeclub.co.za. I will leave it in the description or you guys can have a look right there. Once you're on this page, these three buttons will always be present. This page might change over time, but these buttons will always be somewhere on the page. The first option is to log in with your Deriv account. That's self-explanatory. If you have one, just click on that and log in with that, which I will be doing in this video. But if you don't have one, you can just go ahead and create a Deriv account, or you guys can choose to log in with your Deriv API token if you know how to get that from your Deriv account, and click on login. Once that's done, you will be presented with a page like this, and you will need to use your Deriv login details right there and there just to log into the Deriv account, which will then be connected to the website. As you can see right there, it's connected and you're good to go. The first thing you want to do once you're on this account is head over and choose your trading account. That's because if you just, let's say we set up some settings here, uh, let's just say that, and I click on close and I change the account, you will see that the settings are reset. That's just a security measure for those that switch between accounts and don't want to put in weird settings after coming off the demo account. So choose your trading account first. That's step one. Step two, you want to go ahead and choose your trading bot. So there is quite a few and there's plenty more to come, guys. But if you don't know which one to choose, I will make separate videos on each bot explaining them to the best of my ability in detail. So in this video, let's just go ahead and use the alpha bot, but we can have a look at the recommended settings, which I'll show you where to input now. It was on the screen a moment ago. So our stake is at 2 and our martingale is at 16 and works best on 1S pairs. So I'll just go ahead and select that, and we can go ahead and get into bot settings, which is step 3. So we did say that we'll use a stake of 2, but I'm feeling a bit more risky and we can use a stake of 3, and we'll stick to martingale factor. They did say 1S pairs as well, so we'll go ahead and choose that. Once that's done, we're ready to run the bot. Here's the bot in action. It is running right now. I won't leave it for too long, but let's just leave it while I explain more stuff about this page. So we do have the toggle view, which is now currently in the card mode. We can choose the table mode if you prefer that, or the card mode, whichever one's best for you. And we also have our options right here. So you can go ahead and have a look at this. Obviously, once you stop the bot, the notifications will stop. You can log out and go back to the page where we logged in, or you guys can have a look at the coming soon stuff right here. For now, it is coming soon, but we will be launching accumulators soon, or new things. Who knows what's to come in the future, right? And then our socials are here to keep up to date with us, or you can contact me directly through our WhatsApp channels, my number, the group or Telegram group, and our socials for new announcements. All right, and the last feature is the live chat right here. You can go ahead and contact my team, which is always online. They will go ahead and reply to you. But let's just go ahead and wait for this to hit $5, and then I can go ahead and stop the bot. But that's basically it, guys. It's just a AI system, or an AI system that is supported for mobile, and it is completely versatile with new features coming soon. So stay up to date with that. We have hit our $5, and this was now during the duration of the video. So that's it for me, guys. We can go ahead and stop the bot, and once again, completely for free, you guys can go ahead and use the system. Stay up to date with our socials, guys. For those of you that do like what you're seeing, we are constantly developing the website, but remember, each one takes time. So stay in the loop for that, and there's many more features coming. But that's it for me, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the bot explanation videos. Cheers, guys.